We are gathering on the rug. Everyone is here now, finding their own space now. We are here. Welcome to reading. So that is our gathering song. And every day we will gather in this very special place for our reading workshop. Let's take a look at what we will be doing today. Today, we will learn that readers walk through the world in a special way. How do you think readers might walk through the world in a special way? Well, good question. We're going to find out today. So when readers walk through the world, they don't just see things, they read things. They read names and signs, directions, and even songs too. They do this by looking at the words and thinking, what might that say? So let's take a look at a little chart that we have that says we are readers. So, we are readers. We can look. We can think. We can read. And finally, we can learn. So for our reading lesson today, we are going to take a look through our world and through our neighborhood at something called environmental print. Environmental print is something that you can read, but you might not know that you can read it. So, for example, in the kitchen, you might go in the kitchen and mom might ask you to hand her a container of like the dish soap. So, even though you might not be able to read the letters S-O-A-P, you know that it says soap. So, are you ready to take a walk around and look and see what we can find in our neighborhood? So, we're not going to literally walk, but I did find some things in my neighborhood that I know you can read. So we've been outside of our house 1,000,000 times, but I want you to know that readers don't just read our neighborhood, don't just see our neighborhood, we read our neighborhood. So I got in my car and I drove down to the end of the street and I saw this. Oh my goodness. What is this? Do you know what this is? Is this a sign? Would you see this at the end of your street? Or have you seen this on a street before? Let's see. S-T-O-P. Oh my goodness. I know that this is a stop sign. So, I saw this driving down my street, so am I going to say, I'm done, that's it, I don't need to read anything else in my neighborhood? No way. I'm driving down my neighborhood, driving down the road, and I saw this sign. What does this sign say? Walmart. See? You could read that. I bet you didn't know. I drive down the road a little bit further and I saw this. Oh my goodness. Target. Yes, Target. Good job. And on my way home, got a little hungry, needed to stop somewhere, and I went to this place. This picture is not that great because my printer was dying, but still, I know that you know what this is. What is this place? Maybe you can't read the word on there, but you know that word. We know that this says McDonald's. Very good. And let's see, finally, I arrived back at my home. And this was at the end of my driveway. It's a mailbox. And oh my goodness, Mrs. Roan's name is on that mailbox. This says Roan. And then there's the numbers for my house number, 1, 2, 3, 4. So look and see if you have a mailbox at your house. I bet you your name is on there and you can read it too. I came inside and my daughter said, Mommy, let's watch some TV. So I said, okay. And she pulled up this. Netflix. Do you know what Netflix is? Yeah? Did you know that you could read it? Netflix. And finally, she said, can I please watch a movie? I want to watch this one. And I said, okay, we can watch Toy Story. You read that too. Good job. Good job. So, kindergartners, what are you doing? What are you doing? You are doing what good readers do. You know that readers walk through the world and they, 1, they look, and 2, they think. And last of all, number 3, they read. So, from now on, know that you are a reader. You're a reader, and you can start right this very minute walking through the world in a special way, reading things. Because remember, readers don't just see things, they read things. So, what do readers do? They look, they think, and then they read. Good job.